Hey, Rocket, are you coming out to find the orb with me? Nah, think I'll stay behind. I'm gonna go get the orb. Watch the ship with your life. You know how long I had this ship? No, I don't know how long you had it, and I don't care. Bye. Oh, Groot, there you are. I'm Groot. No, he's not gonna go buy donuts. What galaxy do you think we're in? What is that? Who did that? Come out! Come out wherever you are! Come out! I don't want to hurt you. I just want to see your face. This is so freaky. Hey, Bat Dude. Long time no see. Matter of fact, too bad. Oh crap! An avalanche! Oh crap! Leave. Drive, get out of here. Just get out of here. I don't know if that bat dude made it out alive, but there was an avalanche. Okay, we're leaving. No need to get your panties in a bundle. Help me.